Hi, this is Tim Petzold again with Aegis Fine Rug Cleaning in Austin, Texas, theaustinrugcleaner.com. And we're visiting a rug here you may have seen earlier on one of my videos, but do you see this puffiness? I'm poking it here. You can see a little bit of puffiness here. This is caused by the fact that this particular rug has wool foundation yarns in it. And it's a great opportunity to find out the many wonderful uses of rug pad. Rug pad, proper rug pad, has a grip, not a sticky or adhesive grip, but just a grip that will grab the underside of this rug and it will smooth out these wrinkles. If you've got a rug, whether it's got a cotton foundation or if it's got a wool foundation such as this one, it's a great opportunity to buy a hypoallergenic, in my case, wool rug pad or rug pad. If it's going on stone, if it's going on tile, if it's going on wood, the type that we sell is approved by the American Hardwood Floor Association. And the benefits, including the fact that the rug doesn't slip around and it extends the life by absorbing the energy from furniture, walking, all of that onto the rug. But the one thing that a lot of people don't realize is that it also benefits this. And if you can see this, this rug is completely dry. There's nothing wrong with it. But this is a rug that's got a foundation of wool. And this is where you can see how it works that way, where it doesn't lay flat. This will help it to lay flat when you have the appropriately sized and installed type of rug pad. And again, a lot of people think the rug pad sticks to the rug. It does not. This particular type of rug pad that we recommend will actually grab the underside of the rug. Like if I pulled this back and looked underneath it, you would see that there's yarns there that are made of wool. And that would lay it out, flatten it out. You can see here a little bit better. And then there's a couple of others. I'll come a little bit closer to this end and you'll see how it's a little bit puffy, but the best one you can probably see right now is this guy right here. So anyway, if you have any questions about this, just give me a call, 512-327-1900, or you can go online, theaustinrugcleaner.com. My name is Tim Petzold, Aegis Fine Rug Cleaning in Austin, Texas. Thanks so much.